Try the Philly cheesesteak. It is really good. From Tornado Burger. Hello, 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 hello. It's yay, and today I'm gonna be trying Tornado Burger for the very first time. Hi everyone, thank you so much for returning back to my YouTube channel. I am so thankful, grateful, and delighted that you returned back to watch me. Hey, so today, check me out, y'all. I'm gonna be trying Tornado Burger for the very first time. Shout out to Ishmael that requested me to try this spot. I've never been here before. I just said first time, duh, yay. I think I'm gonna try the Philly cheesesteak. It seems to be very popular, so I'm gonna try that, and I'll catch you guys inside. $9.94. Okay, thank you. Are you sure to go? Yes, to go. So, I ordered my food, and now I'm waiting for it. I got the Sierra Mist mixed with crushed soda. Don't at me. I know I'm not supposed to be drinking soda, but oh well. I'm gonna enjoy myself today. Let me take off my glasses. I'm inside the establishment. I don't need to have glasses on. I'm excited. I'm hungry as well because this is my first meal for today, so I hope it doesn't disappoint me. Anyway, we're gonna be trying it in the car because I gotta go. I'm running errands. You get it? Yeah. So I'm hungry. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the car.
A few moments later.
I'm back like I never left. I'm back like I never left. I'm back like I never left. Let's wipe our hands. Swipe our hands. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm back like I never left. I'm back like I never left. Oh my gosh, I cannot say all rhythm for nothing. Okay. Should I wear my glasses or not? No, let's not. So, you guys, I got it. The Philly cheesesteak. Oh, wait a minute. I'm tripping. I have to take off my rubber bands first. Woo, but first, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, so y'all know how I feel about cheese, right? But I just feel like you can't eat a Philly cheesesteak without the cheese, and I'll be okay. I have some. Those that have dairy intolerance, try these. They're really good. So I'm gonna use one of those when I'm done, and I should be fine. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I'm back like I never left. I'm back like I never left. Okay, so I'm not gonna take a thumbnail with that, so I don't know how this is supposed to work. You know what? I'm gonna cut it and then I'll do a thumbnail. How about that? I'm just gonna cut it in half. Whoa. Yay, take off your rubber bands! There's no way.
Right, aim in Soweto. I hope you let go. I've been searching for you, but oh na na na.
Okay, ketchup. Whoa. Wait time, she told me 5 to 10 minutes. That was very quick. It's hot. Fresh. Taste test the fries with no ketchup. This is good. It's not too soggy. It's also not too salty, which is good. It seems like they just sprinkled some salt on it. It's good. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna do a thumbnail now. This is good. I do wish that I could add mushrooms and green peppers. Maybe I could have asked. Oh. This is good. Wow. Do you know that I come to this side of sometimes, and I have never seen this tornado burger joint. How is that? Wow, it's good. I like it. I'm gonna get the other half of my mom. So let's rate everything, y'all. Fries, I'm giving you fries 10 out of 10. It's fresh, not soggy, not too salty, and it's good. The Philly cheesesteak, and I'm not trying to be biased because I haven't eaten. It's actually really good. Everything is seasoned well. The steak is well done. Okay, none of that raw mess over here. Well done. Sorry, it's hot. Try the Philly cheesesteak. It is really good. From Tornado Burger. Give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh. This is good. Oh my gosh, it's really good. I have to save the other half for my mom so that she can try it. I hope she likes it. I like it. Okay, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, share, and what? Subscribe. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Try the Tornado Burger Philly cheesesteak if you haven't tried it already. And let me know your thoughts down below.